Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to compare GoHighLevel and HubSpot to help you decide which CRM is best for a small business. We will look at features, cost, and why GoHighLevel is often more affordable. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. GoHighLevel is designed as an all-in-one platform. It combines funnels, websites, calendars, email, text messaging, automation, and a full CRM. HubSpot is a long-standing CRM that offers marketing, sales, and service hubs with a polished interface and strong integrations. When it comes to pricing, GoHighLevel starts at about $97 per month for the starter plan. This includes core CRM, funnel builder, email and SMS, scheduling, and pipelines. The unlimited plan is $297 per month and allows multiple accounts and more advanced features. There is also a higher tier for white label and SaaS use. HubSpot is structured differently. It has a free CRM that covers basic contact management and deal tracking. But as soon as you want advanced automation, marketing tools, or higher contact limits, the price goes up quickly. Starter plans are around $45 per month, but professional and enterprise tiers can cost hundreds or even thousands each month depending on the hub and contact volume. Feature-wise, GoHighLevel gives you a funnel and landing page builder, built-in calendars, email and SMS automation, a central inbox for messages, review management, and even membership or course tools. All of this is included from the beginning. HubSpot offers a very refined CRM, lead scoring, tasks, dashboards, advanced automation, and a large app marketplace. But many of these require upgrading to higher-priced plans. The big difference for small businesses is cost. With GoHighLevel, you get most features in one package, and you do not pay extra for each hub or for larger contact lists. With HubSpot, you may start free, but once you need serious marketing automation, multiple hubs, or more contacts, the costs increase very fast. If you are a small business owner, a coach, consultant, or service provider who wants to replace multiple subscriptions with one system, GoHighLevel is usually the better value. If you're a larger organization that needs advanced integrations, enterprise-level analytics, and a more polished experience, HubSpot may be worth the investment, but it comes at a much higher price. In conclusion, both platforms are strong, but for most small businesses, GoHighLevel is the more affordable and practical choice. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.